Today's Shifting Gears is brought to you by Cornwell Tools. For those of you that are thinking about picking up a classic van project, you have a couple of options when it comes to stance. You can tuck it up underneath and slam it down on the ground, or you can jack it up and put the big wide tires on like they did back in the day. Now, if you got to have the thick wide tires, you're going to have a little bit of an issue. If you'll notice, even with the tires that were on there, the door is rubbing against the tire with this sliding side door. You go any wider, the door is not going to open. Now, back in the day, you were able to solve that because you could buy this extension arm just about anywhere, and it would bolt in place of the stock arm and allow the door to swing way out wide to clear those flares and the wide tires. Problem is, nobody's making these anymore, so you have to find them at a junkyard or you got to make your own. And that would mean you'd have to come in here, cut this arm in half, put an extension piece in there, weld it in, and make your arm. Now, hopefully somebody will start repopping these, but until they do, if you got to have those wide tires, you at least have a couple of solutions.